what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up free shipping on TikTok Shop. So just head over to the Seller Center of TikTok Shop, then make sure that you log into your account. And in the left section, you should be able to see promotions. Just click on it. And just under the campaigns section, you should be able to see promotional tools. Just click on it. So you will be directed to this page, and from here you can easily see and access the shipping fee discount section. Just click on the create button. Then next, you will be directed to this page, and all you have to do is fill out all the necessary basic information such as promotion name, promotion period, and shipping areas. Then next, under the discount settings section, we can see the shipping fee discount type and just choose the free shipping option. Then once you're done, just click on agree and publish. And that's how you can easily set up free shipping on your TikTok shop. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily set up free shipping on your TikTok shop. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!